Hello everyone. In this video, I will talk about a tool I developed called Sikuli Fuzz. Sikuli Fuzz automates the testing process of an Android application in an AVD setting. AVD stands for Android Virtual Device. Sikuli Fuzz executes a number of mouse and keyboard events that are either specified by the user or randomly generated, and saves the state of the app at each step of the execution as screenshots, and the user can then validate these results. The tool needs 3 images to start interacting with a certain Android app. The tool needs a screenshot of the app icon to be able to know what app to execute on. The tool also needs a selected screen area that the tool can interact with, basically an area that limits Sikuli Fuzz's interaction. Unless the user specified not to, Sikuli terminates its execution by clicking on the back icon. So we need a screenshot of the back icon. This is an example of how Sikuli Fuzz works. First, we need to take the 3 required screenshots. I will start by taking a screenshot of the app icon. On a Mac machine, you can do that by pressing Command-Shift-4 and dragging over the app icon. We need to do the same for the back icon, so it's Command-Shift-4, dragging over the back icon. And lastly, we need to do the same for the screen area where Sikuli Fuzz is going to execute on. In this case, Sikuli Fuzz will only execute within this selected area. Next, we need to move these screenshots into a directory called Screenshots and rename them to the following. Behind the scenes, Sikuli Fuzz will look for these screenshots using computer vision techniques, and will either run the tool or terminate with an exception that an image was not found. Once we finish this setup process, we can open a command line and run Sikuli Fuzz. We will click twice, type "This is Sikuli Fuzz," click once, and scroll. Sikuli Fuzz will now look for the app icon to start the execution of these events that I specified. In a click event, Sikuli Fuzz will look for a pattern to click on. In the case of multiple patterns, Sikuli Fuzz will randomly click on one pattern. However, if that pattern did not change the state of the app, then it will not register and it will click again. In this case, there's only one pattern in the selected area, and it's the next button. So Sikuli Fuzz is going to go ahead and click on that. It will execute a typing event, and then Sikuli Fuzz is going to click. Now Sikuli Fuzz is going to scroll down, and it will end the execution by clicking on the back icon. After the test is finished, we can check the outputted snapshots by going into the resulted images directory. As you can see here, Sikuli Fuzz took screenshots of the app at every step of the way. So a user can come and validate the outputted results and make sure that the app is functioning correctly.